Hi traders and welcome. My name is Lockie. I'm one of the founders of Samurai Day Trading out of Singapore. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Now, ladies and gents, we are a team of professional traders. We currently have staff in 5 countries and we've got clients in 14 countries. Now, with that said, we run live trading rooms every day. Guys, no fluff, no hype, just real trades called in real time. As we use the 101 education strategy, we use an indicator set called the Delta indicator. And our goal, guys and girls, is to be the #1 day trading school in Asia. So please, guys, have a look around the YouTube channel. If you've got any questions, reach out. Please watch as many videos, guys, as many videos as you can. As we target a plus 90% strike rate, we call the trades live in the live trading room every single day. We offer 100% transparency, 100% integrity, guys, and a trading system that actually works. And every staff member also actually trades. Guys, so on that note, welcome to the YouTube channel. I hope you are going to be massively successful in this game of day trading. Guys, it's been incredible to me since the 1st of August 2007, and may I suggest the future at Samurai is very bright. Have a look around the channel. Guys, I hope you love what we do and reach out to Samurai if you've got any questions. We look forward to having you in the live trading room, ready to rock and roll as soon as you're ready. Guys, have a great day and bye for now.